Is it really possible that a human can forget how to eat? That doesn't sound like illness. It sounds like something is breaking at a deeper level. Because eating isn't a skill, right? It's survival. It's built in. So how does that disappear? And then another thought slips in. We used to say senility. Now we say dementia. Did the condition change? Or did our understanding finally catch up? Because it's strange. For a long time, everything was just getting old. Now suddenly there are types, causes, mechanisms, like we zoomed in and realized we were labeling different problems with the same word. But here's where it starts to feel off. If humans share the same origin, how did we end up with hundreds of languages? Sometimes right next to each other. Same land, different sounds, different meanings. That doesn't feel clean. It feels like something fragmented. And then we circle back. Eating, the most basic act. You get hungry, you eat. That's it. So how does someone sit in front of food and do nothing? They're not full. They're not refusing. They just don't begin. So maybe eating isn't one thing. Maybe it's a chain. Hunger, recognition, decision, action. And if one link breaks, the whole system just stops. But then this gets even stranger, because the same person can lose the ability to eat, but still respond to music. Wait, what? That doesn't line up. If something as basic as eating is gone, how is music still there? So maybe not everything is stored the same way. Some things are shallow, names, steps, routines. And some things go deeper. Rhythm, emotion, repetition. Things that don't need explanation. But then, what exactly is deep? And why would a melody survive longer than a meal? And then another question slips in. Animals, do they go through this? Can a dog forget to eat? Because if even that system can fail, then maybe instinct isn't as untouchable as we think. Or maybe it doesn't fail. Maybe it just loses direction. Like, the drive is still there, but the path is gone. That feels important, because if that's true, then losing identity isn't some dramatic collapse. It's disconnection, piece by piece. And now we're somewhere else entirely. If eating, something so automatic, can fall apart, then what about the rest of us? Memories, habits, personality. Are those really stable? Or just well-rehearsed patterns? Because we like to think, I am me, solid, continuous. But what if that's just everything still connected? And when those connections start to break, we don't suddenly disappear. We fade in layers. So now the question isn't just about eating anymore. If the system that tells you to eat can go silent, what exactly is the thing you call you? And how much of it is actually held together by habit?